Today, Professor Dr. Manoj Kumar will discuss on the various type of the project done in the BTech, MBA, and MS and the PhD program in the institute. That how the projects can be done, what are the contents of the project, what to remain in the project. In the case, there will be the zero lecture, zero tutorial, zero practical, and meeting hours of the 8. This we discuss about the MBA project here. Every student will be assigned a project topic at the end of the third semester from the area of the specialization. One of the area of the specialization that is taken by the student, and it will be pursued by him, her under the supervision of the internal supervisor. Internal supervisor of that specialization will be the guide and prefer the students are required to interact with their supervisor on regular basis. That the 8 hours are given on the week, and the students will interact with the supervisor on the regular basis. The dissertation along with the soft copy will be submitted by the student in the department. The tentative content of the report is given below. Cover page. Cover page will be of the black color. The title of the project will be given there. The name of the student, name of the guide, logo of the institution, and name of the institution will be given on the cover page. Then acknowledgement. Acknowledgement from where the student have completed the project, from where he completed the machinery, from where the raw material, from which person he has consulted for that is to be mentioned in the acknowledgement. If there is any funding agency, then in the acknowledgement this is to be given. Then the certificate. The certificate will provide the originality of the project, which will be signed by the student and by the supervisor. That his project is original and not copied from any of the person. Then the introduction. Introduction about the motivation of the project, why this project have been selected, why this case is to be provided. The introduction of the project must be there. Then literature review. Literature review of at least 50 research papers must be done, and that literature review will be of the current topic of the last year, less than 5 years duration. The literature review must to be done. Then the research methodology. In the research methodology, one of the methodology must be adopted by the student for completing the research. Objective of the research must to be done. What are the motivation of the research? What is the objective of the research? What are the type of the data? Type of the data, source of the data, that is to be mentioned. From where the data has to be taken. The validity of data is important. If the true data will be there, then the project have a value. Sample design. Sample design must to be taken about the data. Hypothesis must to be made and tested. Hypothesis testing is to be done so on some basis. Then the analytical tools. Which analytical tools have been used for doing the research? Then the limitation of the study. Constraints of the study must to be mentioned, that the budget constant, machinery constant, resource constant, what type of some of the assumption which have been assumed during the duration of the project, that is the limitation of the study, that is to be mentioned. Data analysis must to be done. Data must be analyzed. Data must be analysis. Then the findings. After doing the research, what the findings are there, what the searches have been calculated, what are the findings are there, that is to be done. Then the conclusions. What are the final report says, what are the conclusions are there, what are the findings are there. Then what are the recommendations. After viewing the project, what are the recommendations are there. What are the recommendations are there. This is to be given. Then the references. At least 50 references of the standard international journal must to be given. That references must to be mentioned above in the literature and in the literature review also, and some places in the project it must to be mentioned. References must to be given there. Appendix must be there with the questionnaire. Appendix must be there with the questionnaire and the related record must to be there in the case of the appendix. Some of the figures, some of the data of the company that is to be given there. The students shall be required to submit progress report as per the schedule to be announced by the department or for assessment by the project guide. The student will submit 2 copies of the report in the department. The dissertation shall be evaluated both by the external and internal examiner. Research project will initiate from the 3rd semester of the MBA. And research project will be accepted for submission and evaluation when at least 1 research paper out of the project work has been published or accepted for the publication in the research journal or presented in any national or international conference or the seminar. If a student fails to do so, then she has to give the presentation of the research project before a board of the constitution by the dean of the faculty of the management study. If the paper is not there presented, published anywhere, then board must to be constituted by the faculty of the management of the study. This is the rule of the research project done for the MBA student, and similar thing is to be done for the BTech project or the any type of the research project, MS projects, where in case of the MS projects, this must to be done. Then management training. Every MBA student have to go 6 to 8 weeks training. How the training report is to be made has to be mentioned here. To help student understand application of the various theoretical concept in the practical way through the training. At the end of the 2nd semester, every student of the MBA will undergo 6-8 weeks training. During the course of the training, the organization where the student is undergoing training will assign a problem project to the student. Where the training will be done, the industry or the department or the guide manager will assign a problem or project to the student. After completion of the training, the student will submit a report to the university, which will form the part of the 3rd semester examination. The tentative content of the report is given below. Then the number 1, cover page will be there. Cover page will mention the name of the training or the project, name of the student, name of the manager under whom the project have been done, name of the internal guide under whom the project have been made, is name of the institutions and logo of the institutions. Acknowledgement must be there. Who is the funding agency? Who is the providing the facility for doing the training? The name of the department, if any funding agency is there, acknowledgement must be done. Certificate from the organization and company where the training has to be done. The certificate of the company must be there, organization must be there. Then the introduction of the project, motivation of the project, why the project have been selected, what are the major issue for selection of the project. This is to be mentioned in the introduction, why it is important. Then the company profile. Company profile must to be given 1 chapter. Name of the company, history of the company, structure of the company, products of the company, services by the company. If any ancillary unit is there, then the company profile must to be given. Then the literature review, if any. Literature review of the related problem in the different company has to be provided there on the same topic. On the current year, the literature review must be provided. Then the research methodology, what type of the research methodology have been used, what the objective of the research have been used, what the motivation of the research, what is the significance of the research, what is the mission of the research, that is to be provided. Then the type of the data, source of the data, from where the data have been taken, type of the data, this must to be the provided. Sample design, sample, how the sample have been selected. Then the hypothesis testing will be done. Null hypothesis, alternate hypothesis, and the testing. Analytical tools, what are the tools are used in the project. Then the constants, limitation of the study. What are the assumptions of the study? What are the limitations of the study? What further research can be done in the study, that is to be provided. Data analysis by the analytical tools is to be done. At least many of the figures, many of the tables of the data analysis must to be provided. Figures, graphs, tables in the case of the data analysis is to be provided. Comparison with the different papers is to be provided. Then the findings, what are the findings are there? What are the findings are there, that is to be provided. Then conclusions. Conclusions is to be provided. What are the main findings are there? What are the proposals are there? What are the further research to be done? This is to be provided in the conclusions. Then recommendation. Recommendation, what are the recommendation of the student for the company? Improvement of the company. How the company will be improved. This will be provided. Then the references, at least 50 references must to be given of the recent years. Recent year references are important. Recent year references must to be given. Appendix to include the questionnaire must to be given. Questionnaire must to be given. If of the figures are must to be given. Data are must be given. Reports, any reports, figures, this to be provided in the appendix. This is to be given there. However, the report must be submitted within 1 month from the commencement of the third semester. One chapter must be include about the history of the organization, structure of the organization, products of the organization, and services offered by the organization. One chapter must be there about the organization. The average size of the report will be 60 to 80 typed pages in the standard font size of the 12 and 1/2 spacing of the A4 size. Formatting of the project, how can be done? It is also provided here. How the formatting of the project can be done. It is mandatory that the student will make presentation in presence of the teachers and students. It is mandatory. The student will be able to understand the implications of the training. Training, what is the implication of the training? What is the motivation for the training? What is the fruitfulness of the training? That is to be outcome of there. It will give them an opportunity to work in the corporate world. It will give them an opportunity to train in the corporate world. The student will be able to have practical knowledge about managerial aspects. The beneficiary will be able to have an insight about training method adopted by their respective organization. These are about the training report which is to be provided. Then case study analysis. Here is given the how the entrepreneurship case study analysis for the MBA is given. Lecture 2, lecture 0, tutorial 0, practical 2 hours, and S0. Objective, the course is to provide an overview and competence needed to be an entrepreneur, as well as to the sensitize the potential entrepreneurs towards the environment so that they can understand practically the complexity faced by the successful entrepreneur. Can practically the complexity faced by the successful entrepreneur. the student will visit the two entrepreneurs of their one choice. Two entrepreneurs of one choice they must visit and gather information about the following: background of the entrepreneur, history of the enterprise, from when the company have been started, when the enterprise have been started, what was the background of the entrepreneur, what was the history of the entrepreneur, motivation for selecting the entrepreneur career, why he has chosen that career, process of starting the enterprise, that is to be given there, type of the enterprise, what are the type of the enterprise is this one, what is the production process used in the company, what are different production process is used in the company, what are the different marketing policy is used by the company. This is important. Without the marketing policy known what the company is adapting, it is important to know about the marketing policy. What are the different marketing policies there, what is the investment, how much money is invested there. This is important. Every company have invested the money to gain the profit. Profitability analysis may be done here. The company is getting the profit or not. This is to be gained their institutional finances. What are the different institutional finances there? Financial monitoring and control. How the finance monitoring and control is done. This is important case. So in the case of the company, profitability, how the profit is to be taken by financial monitoring and control. This is important. People management, profit and losses. People management, profit and loss. This is to be done in the case analysis. Growth and development. Growth and development of the enterprise, how it taken a growth development, annual budget must to be made, and how the company has expanded from the zero level to that level. Growth and development must to be done. Problem faced. What are the different problems are faced by the company for these purposes? This is an important issue. This student have to be take care of these. What are the different types of the problems are there? Political problems, legal problems, social problem, technical problems, economic problem. What are the types of the problems are there? This is the important for the study of the entrepreneur. What are the legal cases is there? This is to be important there. Family support and the opposition. How the family supported him to do this case analysis, and how the oppositions are there. What are the future plans of the entrepreneur? This is the case study analysis of any of the company. The student will prepare the life cycle of the enterprise. What is the life cycle of enterprise, and carry out a SWOT analysis of the enterprise. SWOT analysis, strength, weakness, opportunity, threat analysis of the enterprise must be done. Strength of the enterprise, what is the weakness of the enterprise, what are the opportunity of the enterprise, what are the threats of the enterprise, analysis of the enterprise and entrepreneur both. This is the SWOT analysis of the enterprise and entrepreneur both must to be analyzed. They will give a presentation and will submit a spiral bound report and a soft copy of all the information. It will create understanding for entrepreneur skill, possible risk, and their avoidance among the students. Students will learn through the interaction and analysis of the real life entrepreneur venture. What are the, if you want to become an entrepreneur, then what are the real life situations is there, that is to be know the student by doing this. It will lead the students for becoming a successful entrepreneur. Successful entrepreneur, it is necessary to become a successful entrepreneur. How you become a successful entrepreneur? This is to be mentioned here. Student will be confident and motivated towards the entrepreneurship. How the student will be confident and motivated towards entrepreneurship. Towards the student will be confident and motivated toward the entrepreneurship. This is the important one. This is the case analysis of there. Then the summer training appraisal. Summer training appraisal, how it can be done. Here is given there. Student's name will be there, program will be there. You are requested to provide your evaluation and student's performance of the following parameters as per the rating given below. A for the outstanding, B for the good, C for the satisfactory, D for the unsatisfactory. Technical knowledge gathered about the industry and job she was involved. Either the how much technical knowledge gathered by the company. This is to be given here. A, B, C, D. Communication skills, oral or written. Ability to work in a team. Ability to take initiative. If he's taking the initiative or not. Ability to develop a healthy long-term relationship with client and associate. What are the ability to develop a healthy long-term relationship with client and associates? Ability to relate theoretical learning to the practical training. Creativity and ability to innovate with respect to work methods and the procedures. Creativity and ability to innovate with respect to work methods and the procedure. Ability to grasp new ideas and the knowledge. Presentation skills, documentation skills, sense of the responsibility, acceptability. Presentation skills, how it presents, what are the ability to grasp new ideas and knowledge, new idea of the knowledge. Creativity, the ability to innovate with respect to the methods and the procedures. Sense of the responsibility must be there. Acceptability, patience, pleasing manners, the ability to instill trust, etc. His, her ability and willingness to put in the hard work. How hard work he do. Punctuality, in what way do you consider the student to be valuable to the organization? These are the assessors overall rating. This is a contact number, designation, organization name, and the address. This is the assessor's overall rating. This is the overall rating of the training will be there.